Hello Mayor Burnham, my name is Jaxon and I'm a part of the Genuine Futures programme, which helps young people like me to find a job and job experience. I'm reaching out with a hopeful request because we know that police confiscate vehicles, but they're often left unused. We'd like to ask if you could donate one of these vehicles to the car clean at Genuine Futures. This donation would be a game changer and would help us train and employ more young people immediately, and would make a brighter future for those who don't have anything. Thank you for your time and listening and your consideration. Best regards, Jaxon.